Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the important awards which are given in the month of January to May. Friends, it is part 2 video. Part 1 video has already uploaded. Those who are not watching that video, please watch. Why? Because this is important topic for all competitive exams like banking, SSC, railways, and group exams also. Any examination from the topic of awards, there is a chance of getting 1 or 2 marks exactly. Be watch carefully. Let's start. Assam Chief Minister Sherbanand Sonowal. The current Chief Minister of Assam, Sherbanand Sonowal, was honored with Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Award. Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Award for Politics. Recently, Assam Chief Minister Sherbanand Sonowal was honored with Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Award for Politics. The capital of Assam is Guwahati. Next, Jadav Payang. Jadav Payang, he is an environmental activist, and he is also called as Forest Man of India. Forest Man of India is Jadav Payang. Recently, he got Commonwealth Point of Light Award. Recently, Forest Man of India Jadav Payang has the winner of 128th Commonwealth Point of Light Award, and he had spent 30 years of his life for planting trees. Forest Man of India, important, please remember. Next, Time magazine created 100 new covers for the project 100 Women of the Year. India's freedom fighter Amrit Kaur will be honored as Women of the Year for 1947. Freedom fighter Amrit Kaur has been honored as Women of the Year for 1947, and for the year 1976, Women of the Year is Indira Gandhi. She is former Prime Minister of India. Amrit Kaur for the year 1947 and Indira Gandhi for the year 1976 as Women of the Year. Next, Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu, Uppavarapu Venkaiah Naidu, honored the Business Line Changemaker Award 2020. Vice President honored the winners of Business Line Changemaker Award 2020, which is organized by Hindu Business Line in New Delhi. Recently, Hindu Business Line organized Business Line Changemaker Award, and this award is presented by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. Next, Pusarla Venkata Sindhu or PV Sindhu won BBC, which stands for British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year Award 2019. Recently, PV Sindhu has won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year Award 2019, and former sprinter PT Usha was awarded with BBC Lifetime Achievement Award. Sportswoman of the Year Award PV Sindhu and Lifetime Achievement Award PT Usha. And present Union Minister for Sports is Kiran Rijiju. Next, Indian journalist Arfa Kunam Sherwani or AK Sherwani. She is the senior editor of the news website and Bengaluru based freelancer Rohini Mohan. jointly won the Chameli Devi Jain Award 2019. So recently Chameli Devi Jain Award 2019 win by A.K. Sherwani and Rohini Mohan for their outstanding performance in media. Recently, these two women are win the Chameli Devi Jain Award 2019. This award given in the field of media or journalism. Next, Indian origin American author Ruchika Tomar. Ruchika Tomar is named as the winner of annual PEN or Hemingway Award 2020. The winner of the Hemingway Award 2020 is Ruchika Tomar for her first novel is A Prayer for Travelers. For her novel A Prayer for Travelers. Next, the Hindu Prize 2019 is awarded to Mirza Wahid's Tell Her Everything. It is a fiction writing. Recently, the Hindu Prize 2019 is awarded to Mirza Wahid for her fiction Tell Her Everything 2019. Next, Indian tennis player Sania Mirza. Indian tennis player Sania Mirza becomes the first Indian to win Fed Cup Hot Award 2020. Fed Cup Hot Award 2020 winner is Sania Mirza. She is become the first Indian to win this award for Asia and Oceania zone also. Next, Lieutenant Commander Akshay Kumar was awarded Vice Admiral GM Hiranandani Memorial Rolling Trophy 2020. GM Hiranandani Memorial Rolling Trophy 2020 was awarded to Lieutenant Commander Akshay Kumar. He is the Vice Admiral and Lieutenant Commander. Next, Manipuri doctor Thangjam Dabali Singh. Manipuri doctor Thangjam Dabali Singh conferred Order of Rising Sun by Japan. Recently, Japan conferred the highest award to Manipur doctor Thangjam Dabali Singh. Name is Order of Rising Sun. It is the highest award of Japan. Next, IIT Madras Professor and Padma Shri Award Talappil Pradeep or T. Pradeep named for 25th Nikkei Asia Prize 2020. Recently, Nikkei Asia Prize 2020 won by T. Pradeep. He is IIT Madras Professor and Padma Shri Award winner also in the field of science and technology. Next, Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is the President of Russia. Awards commemorative World War II medal to North Korea leader Kim Jong-un. Recently, Russian President Vladimir Putin presented World War II medal to North Korean leader Kim Jong-un. Next, IIT Bombay Professor Saurabh Lodha receives Young Career Award 2020 in Nanoscience and Technology. Recently, IIT Bombay Professor Saurabh Lodha receives Young Career Award 2020 in the field of Nanoscience and Technology. Next, Professors Nicholas C. Coops of Canada, Richard H. Waring of United States of America, and Joseph J. Landsberg of Australia shares the Marcus Wallenberg Prize 2020. Marcus Wallenberg Prize 2020 or the Nobel Prize for Forest Sector. These are received by Nicholas C. Coops from Canada and Richard H. Waring from US and Joseph J. Landsberg from Australia for the year 2020. Award name is Marcus Wallenberg Prize 2020 or Nobel Prize for Forest Sector. Next, Arman, an Indian-based non-profit organization, an NGO, has been awarded the Skoll Award for Social Entrepreneurship 2020. Recently, Arman, it is NGO or non-profit organization, has been awarded Skoll Award for Social Entrepreneurship 2020 in recognition of its exceptional work in the maternal and child health space in India. Next, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has been conferred with Hero to Animal Award. Recently, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has been conferred with Hero to Animal Award, which is given by People for Ethical Treatment of Animal, PETA India, for allocating funds to feed community animals. PETA stands for People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, and the establishment year is 2000. Headquarter of PETA is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, Wisden Cricketers Almanac 2020 edition named Ben Stokes. Ben Stokes, he is England cricket batsman as the leading male cricketer of the year. Recently, Wisden Cricketers Almanac 2020 edition named Ben Stokes of England as the leading male cricketer, and in female category, Elizabeth Perry of Australia as the leading female cricketer of the world 2020. In men's category, Ben Stokes, and in women's category, Ben Stokes. Women's category, Elisa Perry. Men's Ben Stokes, women's Elisa Perry. Next, first Algerian novelist Abdelwahab Aissoui to win the 13th International Prize for Arabic Fiction 2020 for his novel The Spartan Code. Novel is The Spartan Code. Recently, 13th International Prize for Arabic Fiction win by Abdelwahab Aissoui. He is the novelist from Algeria. The capital of Algeria is Algiers and currency is Algerian dinar. Next, Tata Power Company Limited's Club Energy has launched a campaign. The name of the campaign is Has Switch Off to Switch On. It is the first energy resource conservation club, has won silver in the Edison Award 2020. Recently, Edison Award 2020 under the Social Innovation subcategory, Tata Power Companies Limited Club Energy campaign has Switch Off to Switch On, which is India's first energy resource conservation lab, has won silver in the Edison Award 2020. Next, Adam Higginbotham won the William E. Colby Award 2020. William E. Colby Award 2020 for his book Midnight in Chernobyl, the untold story of the world's greatest nuclear disaster. Recently, Adam Higgins won William E. Colby Award 2020 for his book Midnight in Chernobyl, the untold story of world's greatest nuclear disaster. Next, friends, these are the important awards from January to May month. This is part 2 video. Friends, if you want more information or quizzes related to this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe and like my videos and also press bell icon. Thanks for watching.